Modal verbs should, must, have to in emergency situations. The study is always useful. First aid hero. One day, Tom was walking home when he saw a terrible accident. A man had fallen off his bike and had a deep wound on his arm. He was bleeding a lot. Tom knew he had to react immediately. He took out a handkerchief and tied it around the man's wound to stop the bleeding. Soon an ambulance arrived. The paramedics helped the man breathe properly and took him to the hospital. The doctor later told Tom that his quick thinking had helped save the man's life. Tom was happy he had paid attention in his first class. Using should, giving advice. Should is used to give advice or recommendations. If someone is bleeding, you should apply pressure to the wound. Tom should stay calm when helping the injured man. You should learn basic first aid to help in emergencies. Example exercise. Complete the sentence with should. If you see an accident, you should call for help. You should pay attention in a first aid class. When someone is injured, you should stay calm. Using must, strong obligation or necessity. Must expresses a strong necessity, rule, or life-saving action. You must call an ambulance immediately in an emergency. First aiders must react quickly to save a life. People must know how to perform basic first aid. Example exercise. Choose must or should. You must stop the bleeding as soon as possible. If someone faints, you must check if they are breathing. You should never ignore an injured person. Using have to external obligation rules. Have to is used when something is necessary because of rules. Paramedics have to check the patient breathing before moving them. Drivers have to follow road safety rules to prevent accidents. Tom has to learn first aid skill for future emergencies. Example exercise. Rewrite the sentences using have to. It's necessary to stop the bleeding. You have to stop the bleeding. It's important to call an ambulance in an emergency. You have to call an ambulance. Thank you.